We want to talk for a moment now about the Obama administration's response to the quake. Lara Logan is in Washington. She is our chief foreign affairs correspondent. Lara, good evening. How would you characterize the response so far?
Harry, it's pretty much what you'd expect the response to be to a domestic crisis of this kind of nature. The administration has come out very forcefully on this. In fact, the State Department has set up a 24-hour operations center to coordinate all the interagency efforts. And at the same time, the president came out again this morning, his second specific public appearance on the Haiti crisis. He was flanked by senior members of his cabinet, and he used very strong language. He said he has directed the response to be aggressive, swift, and coordinated. He also made it very clear that he's not prepared to tolerate or put up with any mistakes in a time of crisis of this nature. Secretary of State Hillary Clinton and Secretary of Defense Bill Gates, they both cut short trips to the Pacific to specifically devote their attention to this. So it's been quite striking in how aggressive and forceful the response has been, Harry.
Lara, you have been in so many trouble spots and crisis zones before. I know you have a lot of contacts with non-governmental organizations. What kind of progress are they making getting the help they need to get into Haiti?
Well, one of the very important things in this kind of situation, Harry, is not to flood the disaster zone with a whole lot of things that they don't need. It's difficult enough. And that's why there is no model for emergency response to crises of this kind. In fact, the first thing the U.S. did was to send in assessment teams, because their answer, the help they provide, has to be based on the needs of the people of Haiti. And it's very specific to the situation. The assessment teams got on the ground within a few hours, and in fact, USAID, who's in charge of the relief effort, have been struggling. They told me just a short time ago they've been struggling to get in touch with their own assessment teams, and it is the assessment teams who provide the information, exactly what is needed, how much is needed. It's so bad right now that the airport has been overwhelmed. The ambassador to Haiti, Raymond Joseph, said today that he's encouraged by the amount of aid that's been sent in and the response from countries. The problem is it's not getting to the people that need it. And part of the problem here is that the airport has been so overwhelmed. So the Haitian ambassador said what he would like to see the U.S. military involved in is getting the aid from the airport to the people of Haiti who need it the most, Harry. So speed is critical.
Difficult situation at best. Lara Logan in Washington tonight. Thanks.